Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I'm always buying a lot of stuff. I just don't usually post it. I'm trying to get better about posting all the different random stuff that I buy and trying to do a review, or it's something I've already owned and I just bought more of because I absolutely love them. That's the case with these. I love Samsonite. Their C-Lite bags are absolutely amazing. I have another full set of 3 that basically I've had for 11 years now. Been all over the country, all over the world. It's been everywhere, and it gets beat up, but it just survives everything. It's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these for you and give you a better look. These are the latest model of the Samsonite C-Lite. I'll put a link to where I bought them from, as well as to Amazon. The cheapest I got them is off this Traveloo or whatever website. Like I said, I'll put the link in the video description. I don't get anything for this. This is just me buying stuff for my channel, but check this out. Check it out. The bags. Hold on. They're still in plastic. See how well wrapped they are? Hold on. And check it out. This is awesome. These are the new bags. They're super light. I mean, like, super light. These bags, compared to the next lightest bag that Samsung makes, these are like 7 pounds, 8 pounds lighter. They're like super light, and that's why I like them. I'm gonna show you, this is my old bags. These are the same bag, only slightly, obviously older design because it's that old. But the best part about these bags is the fact that they have the TSA lock on them, and you can basically fit them inside one another. You can fit them inside one another, and that way you have the complete set of bags again. And like I said, the design is pretty much the same. As you can see, I'm gonna move these over here. They're very durable, very, they can be beat up like crazy. As you can see, it's taken a lot of beating, and all it is just like bump marks. And if I took the time, I can like take a washcloth and this will like wipe right off. So they're very, very, very sturdy. They last like a really long time. Obviously, these are 11 years. They come with a 10-year warranty on them in case anything happens, manufacturer defects, whatever. The zipper stops working, whatever. Within 10 years, you can have it repaired at no expense to you. They'll ship it off, and yep. And then these are the new ones. They're all the same on the inside. You have a little bit different locking than the old style. The old style was basically they slide and they lock in by pushing. I don't know if you can see that, where basically these zippers push in like this. Hold on. So they push in like that and just lock in. But the new ones are a little bit different, and they're basically hooked in. So there's different style, and then obviously you have to push the button with the right code to unlock them, which I gotta go look at the paperwork to see what the actual code is to unlock all of these. So yeah, that'll be the fun part. It also has a USB. I don't know how well you can see that. The new ones have a USB port on there, at least on the carry-on bag. Does it have it on the other bags as well? Or is it just the carry-on? Yeah. So just the carry-on has an extra USB port, and that goes inside the bag, and then that way you can put like a USB charger or whatever inside the bag. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to pull this open to see, and I'll let you know. So basically the code is 000 by default. But I didn't realize you just basically push up on the circle and it unlocks them, and then you can just zip it open. So the carry-on is the only one that comes with the battery backup port on it. The difference too between the new style and the old The new style, the inside this is not clear. The old style is mesh. So my other bag, this older bag, which I'll show you, is the older bag is mesh, and that you can see in through. So you can see through the mesh, as opposed to the new bag is not mesh, so you can like not see what's in here. So you can put like your more private items in there, and they won't be seen, as opposed to the old. And then in here, in this side little zipper, is where you would put like your power bank or whatever, your charger that the USB port goes to, so that we can charge, you know, whatever USB item that you have, and not have to open the bag up to do that. And then you have all this space. So you have all this space, and it is really light. I don't know how else to define this. You have your small, you have another small little personal bag right here that you can put like jewelry or little items that you don't want banging around inside your luggage. Then you have the holding strap to hold your clothes in on this side, and it's really well constructed. Also, this can be expanded apparently, so it has, as you see, there's a second set of zippers in here. I don't know how well you can see that. There's basically a second set. There's a second set of zippers. How well you can see that. There's a second set of zippers in here in case you actually want to have the bag slightly wider. So if you, you know, when you come back from a trip and you have an extra little couple items and you need that extra little bit of room, you can do that and have that inner zipper as opposed to the outer, to kind of like, you know, make it slightly bigger. Or, you know, after you get through, you know, security, you can just stuff your stuff back into the bag because it was like, you know, too big. So yeah, tell me what you think. I will be using these on a trip to the Philippines later this year. Can't wait. I will try to record some of that and basically show you guys visiting my wife's family in the Philippines. We're going to be going to a bunch of different islands and stuff like that. But that's why I bought all of this, is that way my existing set is mine. Now I have a set for my wife and daughter, so they can fight over what color they want. If they want this or the red. They also come in a black. So they have 3 colors that I saw on their website. Is this, they call it like a white, but it's like an off-white. It's not really, it's more like a silver than a white. And then chili red, and then they have a black. So thank you again for watching. Like I said, I absolutely love these things. They're so light. Like, I just, if you do the calculations, which I did, you know, if each bag saves you at least 7 pounds per bag, times that by 6 bags, you get the idea. It's like, what, 42 pounds saved? That's like a whole nother bag that you could have carried with you. If you're going international and you have to worry about 50 pounds per bag, or even, you know, carrying gifts to a place or from a place, like us, we're going to be bringing a ton of stuff from America to the Philippines. It's kind of a traditional thing that we do. So we're going to be bringing a ton of stuff, and we want to save as much weight as we can. That way I can get, you know, an extra 7 pounds worth of stuff per bag. It's a lot of extra weight we can bring with us. And then same with when we come back to bring gifts to our family and friends here, we have a lot more weight if we need. And if we don't, I can just put the bag inside the other bag, and it's one less carry-on. So yeah, the fun part is I have to fit all of this in my wife's Mazda CX-9. I do have a roof rack in case, but we're going to go try to fit these in the vehicle. But again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget that like and subscribe, and comment below if you have Samsonite, what you think of them. And yeah, video descriptions here, like other videos I mean. And then in the video description down below, I'll put a link to where I bought these from, and you know, you enjoy. They're not cheap, but they're well worth the price because they will last you a lifetime. I have friends that are my age that have them from back in their bags from college years. It's just Samsonite has been around for generations, and they build their stuff to last. Again, thank you. Take care.